While beauty and charm is the eyes of the beholder, this cheaper, pint-sized flower will surely bring a smile to your face. Black-chipped scientist and nature personality Laura recently noted on social media, "I think that I shall never see a poem as cute as." From their cherry voice to their bold personalities, Black Capit are undoubtedly adorable, nearly identical and equally as cute. Chlorina are found in the South US. Easter can sometimes be eat seed right out of your hand. It is not the only crested bird around, but a tufted Speak certainly has the most flair. Both always love, look, style, and perfectly moused with verbal. While male northern Cardellina has tangly, bright, and showy, female are no in the cuteness category either. They have subtle hint of blush that appearance as if painted on. Prefer platform feeder for organic on black oil, sunflower feature. If you do not have space for an additional add a tray to the bottom of your tube feeder to give place to perch and eat. It is not the only crust bird around, but fatted peak Stanley has the most flair. Both always look style and perfectly mused with vibrant black eyes to offset their pale experienced faces with a range that expanding northward. These birds are common feeder visitor in the east. They readily eat sunflower feed, but it is especially amazing to watch them tackle whole peanut in the shell. Nearly identical and equally as cute birds are found in the southeastern